We're going to be tapping using Posi-Taps. Posi-Taps come in 3 sections. You got a bottom section, a middle section with actual metal contact, and a top section. Go ahead and strip your wire. Slide the Posi-Tap over. This is some 22 gauge TFCell, pretty tough stuff. It might be a little bit harder, but that just means it's definitely in there. And loop that around the metal contact of the middle section. Thread that on. These taps are super robust. For the sake of example, just tap the same wire. You just feed the wire through the split end of the lower piece, screw it on. Super quick, super simple, super low profile, and a good connection at that.